Go on.
Maybe not.
That's okay. Get a picture of you on there, Dave. There you go. Oh, that's great. Well, this is the old C12, going to be the next restoration. It's 1955 250cc. It's a total wreck. But the guy I bought it from said he changed the oil, put some fresh fuel in, connected the battery, and he said it ran. I'm going to try that in a moment to see if he was kidding me. But it don't matter because the whole thing is going to be stripped and refurbished. It's in a pretty sorry state. Going to need quite a bit of work to get it up to standard. Well, as you can see, I've got the bike up on the stand, and I've got to tell you, it's in the right mess. It does run, but it's the worst one I've looked at. Nothing works, the brakes don't work, it rolls, that's about it. Headlamps crack, so that'll have to be replaced. Definitely going to be 100% restoration, this one. Seat fell off when I tried to move it. And these wires here were just where we hotwired it to run the engine. I was amazed the engine ran, but it did. It didn't let it run for long because I'd like to see what's inside before anything else. There's some burnt out wiring here. Right, so we'll make a start on stripping it down. I'll photograph it as we go. I don't suppose I'll get much video because it's long and boring, but maybe some time here and there. Okay, thanks for watching.